You know when you look at a willow tree and you just see, well, a tree? What if I told you that inside those branches, it's hiding a secret superpower? Today, we're going to show you how to turn a few simple willow twigs into a powerful, all-natural rooting hormone that will absolutely supercharge your plant cuttings. Let's dive in. So let's just get right to that big question. Do willow trees really have a secret superpower? And the answer is 1,000% yes. It's not magic, but it's close. See, hidden inside those bendy branches is this potent natural cocktail of compounds that can help you grow way stronger, healthier plants from cuttings. But this isn't some kind of hocus pocus. It's just pure, awesome garden science. The so-called magic inside the willow bark really just boils down to two key natural compounds. They work together perfectly. So let's break down exactly what they are and what they do. Okay, first up, we have salicylic acid. I want you to think of this stuff as a tiny, microscopic bodyguard for your brand new plant cuttings. Its main job is to fight off all the nasty bacteria and fungi, protecting that vulnerable cutting from rot so it can put all of its energy into growing. And the second part of this powerhouse duo, that would be auxins. So if salicylic acid is the bodyguard, auxins are the coach. These are natural plant hormones that literally tell the cutting, hey, it's time to grow some roots, let's go. They're what stimulate and really push for a strong, healthy root system. So now that we know the science, how do we actually brew this amazing golden potion? Well, you're going to love this part because it is incredibly simple. Let's walk through the whole thing, step by step. It really is this easy. Okay, step 1, just gather a handful of those young, flexible willow branches. Step 2, you're going to chop them up into small, little pieces. Now, step 3 is the crucial part, the brew. This is where you soak or simmer them to get all those good compounds out into the water. And finally, step 4, just strain out the twigs and let your willow water cool down completely. That's it. You're done. And when it comes to that brewing step, you've actually got two great options, depending on your schedule. If you've got time on your hands, you can do the slow soak. Just pop your willow pieces in some warm water and let them steep overnight. But if you're in a hurry, the quick simmer is your best friend. Just gently heat the branches in water on the stove for about 10 or 15 minutes. Honestly, both methods work great. All right, so you've brewed your potion. Now for the really fun part, putting this stuff to work in your garden and in your home and just watching your plants thrive. And the uses are so versatile. When you're trying to propagate herbs, like basil, mint, or rosemary, just stick the cuttings directly into your willow water instead of regular water. Same thing goes for your favorite houseplants. Oh, and here's a fantastic tip. You can also pour it right into the soil around plants you've just transplanted. It really helps them avoid shock and settle into their new spot. I mean, just think about it for a second. You're taking something you'd normally just throw away, a few twigs, and you're turning it into this treasure trove of benefits for your garden. Let's just quickly run through how amazing this really is. So you're going to get faster and stronger root growth, your cuttings are protected from all that nasty rot, and your transplants have a much easier time avoiding shock. And maybe the best part of all is that this method is 100% natural and sustainable. No synthetic chemicals, just the pure power that's already inside the tree. And that brings us to the most incredible benefit of all. What does this amazing garden tool cost you? Zero. Zilch. Absolutely nothing. It is completely free. You are literally turning what would be garden waste into a secret weapon for your plants. Which kind of leaves us with one last thought. The power to create this amazing rooting hormone was just hiding in plain sight in a common willow tree. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other natural secrets are hiding right there in your own garden, just waiting to be discovered?